Imagine a single vegetable that could transform your health in 10 powerful ways. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover why broccoli should be your new best friend. Broccoli, a green cruciferous vegetable, is not just any ordinary plant. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. One of the most compelling reasons to eat broccoli is its rich antioxidant content, particularly sulforaphane, which fights harmful free radicals and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Your heart will thank you for eating broccoli. With fiber, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids, this vegetable supports cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol and regulating blood pressure. Detoxify your body naturally with broccoli. High in glucosinolates, it activates liver enzymes that help eliminate toxins and harmful substances. Boost your immune system with the high levels of vitamin C found in broccoli. This essential nutrient stimulates white blood cell production, helping you fend off infections. Strong bones are within reach when you consume broccoli. It's a great source of calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium, all crucial for maintaining bone health. Digestive health is another benefit of broccoli. Its rich dietary fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Looking to manage your weight? Broccoli is low in calories but high in fiber, helping you feel full longer and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Broccoli even supports eye health with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from damage and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. By making broccoli a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy these incredible health benefits and support your overall well-being. So why wait? Start adding broccoli to your meals today. Stay healthy, stay vibrant. Remember, the power of good health is just a bite away. Eat broccoli, live better.